I dreamed of one day playing in the big leagues, so I signed up for a montage to get better. I was at the top of my game. I didn't even need the full montage. I was even recruited to play on Cuba's national team, the Gooding Juniors.
Tonight, the Cuba Gooding Juniors take on the Haiti Joe Osmonds.
We tried to play, but it was difficult because hurricane season was February through January. Every time a hurricane would sweep through, decimating the island, causing hundreds of dollars worth of damage.